Is FabFitFun one of the best monthly subscription boxes for women? Keep watching to see an unboxing of the latest summer FabFitFun 2019 so you can get a really good idea of what you can expect in one of my personal favorite subscription boxes. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, welcome. I'm Maria and I'm a full-time graphic designer, so I love hopping onto YouTube where I share tips on bringing creativity into your everyday life. I do fashion lookbooks, home DIYs, and recipe videos with some cupcakes in there, of course. Please consider subscribing if you like those types of things because it really helps my channel out. I love subscription boxes and I've done a lot of reviews of them, and FabFitFun almost always comes out on top every season. A really quick rundown of FabFitFun is that they deliver 4 times a year at $49 per box. But if you're new, I do have a coupon code in the description box below, so you can get a little discount off your first box. You get a ton of beauty and home products that the value comes out to way above that $49 that you pay. Sometimes I do end up selling some of the products I got if it's something that I already had, but overall they are mostly new products that I'm excited to get and excited to try out. I will be testing out these products that I get over the next month or so, and I'll do a follow-up from all my summer subscription boxes so you can see which were the top 5 favorite items. This also gives some insight into which subscription boxes are the best ones out there. I'll also link anything that I can find in the description box below that I'm mentioning just in case something catches your eye. So something FabFitFun does, which is extremely smart, is they have add-ons for a limited time so you can shop till you drop online with their selection of discounted products when you're checking out for your seasonal box. I am usually not swayed into buying things like that, but I actually saw a few things that I needed, and then my cart just grew and grew and grew. So you could easily double the cost of your FabFitFun when you add those extras, so just be warned there. I will quickly run through these add-ons I got first, because you may see some of these products in future videos. The first items are these 2 lash growth serums. One is from Lashes MD and the other from Lash. I have used eyelash growth serums in the past, but never from these brands. I may try one on one eye and the other one on my other eye and do a comparison after a month or 2. If you like that idea, let me know in the comment section below. I got these 2 Spun Gel Baltic Rose shower buffers. I have used these in the past and they last a long time and smell really good. I've never tried this Intelligent Nutrients brand, but I love a good exfoliating polish for my face, so I thought I would try this one out. This was one of those products that was an option in my main summer box, and I paid $7 extra to get this one. This retails for $57, so you can see that is a really good savings there. Okay, this one I am a little disappointed in. In the photo, I don't know, I just thought this was going to be one of those giant bags of hair conditioner, but this is about the size of my hand. It feels more like a sample size to me, but it had really good reviews, so I'm curious if this is as good as everybody said it was. It looks like I'll get maybe 3 or 4 uses out of it. I love waterproof mascaras because they really hold the curl on my eyelash in place. And well, this one had flamingos on the packaging, so I just had to get it because flamingos on my mascara will probably just make me happy every morning when I put it on. I love the name too, Fabulous Flocking Lashes. And it's one of those tubing mascaras and has argan and jojoba oil in it. So I'm really excited to try this one out. I have heard of these cleansing rinses before for your hair, but I've never tried one. It's supposed to naturally remove buildup on your hair, like any hairsprays that have gotten in there over time. If you've ever tried these before, let me know if it works or if you've noticed a difference in your hair after using one. This huge bottle of makeup remover made up for that small little hair conditioner bottle. I have had good luck with the Chlorine brand, but I've never tried their makeup remover. I go through makeup remover really quickly though, so I'm ready when mine runs out. This one has a nice push top on it, so it'll be easy to put a little cotton pad at the top and pump it a few times to moisten that cotton pad. This little set of hair accessories was so cute and super cheap. I think it was like $6 to add it on. I really like the hair comb and the bobby pins, and they are way cuter than just plain old bobby pins. This is a nice set of shampoo and conditioner. I love the packaging, and I like that it was completely wrapped up in plastic, because had this broken in my shipment, it would have been a huge mess because these are really big bottles. Okay, here is another thing that I'm considering doing a review on. It is the Snow Teeth Whitener. I think this was $99 as a FabFitFun add-on, and usually this is like $250 or $300. I was not expecting such nice packaging though, with the little velour bag and a lip treatment included in there too. This is one of those that you hook the LED light to your phone and it works really quickly in just a few minutes. A lot of the reviews I read say this works really well for people with sensitive teeth, and I am one that has sensitive teeth, so I am curious to see if this will work. I will have to report back to you guys if this one turns out to be really good. Oh, and how cute is the instruction manual? These bowls were actually one of the options I had for the summer box, but you did have the option to just buy it as an add-on. I thought they would look so cute in the kitchen. But you could even use them to store things at your vanity or in your office. They are from West Elm, so really good quality, and they're dishwasher and microwave safe. So let's get into the main items that came in the summer FabFitFun. Some of the items you get to choose from a few options before your box ships. I will show you the options I had so you can get an idea of how my box could have looked a lot different had I chosen some of the other selections. Here is the FabFitFun, such cute packaging as always. There is a really nice magazine here with details on all the included products, a couple coupons, and then all the goodies. I don't even know where to start. A couple little hair ties here. Those will be perfect in a ponytail. Then this Kula SPF setting mist. I love this brand because it smells like coconuts and makes me want to go on vacation. It is in a glass bottle, and the lid did come off during shipment, so I did have a little leak, but it still works just fine. The other options I had for this selection were the Dr. Rogers Restore and Healing Skin Balm, or the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Polish, which I had added on for another $7. Next is the Grace and Stella Rose Spray. I have been using a different brand of rose spray and I am loving it. And I use it in the mornings or the evenings or even just in the middle of the day if I've been outside, because it just refreshes my makeup and it cools my face off. These sprays smell really good. Instead of going with these other options of liquid eyeliner or living proof style cream, I went with the mystery item, and I got sent this Skin & Co. Truffle Cleansing Oil. I'm so glad I went with the mystery item because I love trying out new skin cleansers. I have used this Sol de Janeiro brand before, but I've never tried the shower cream. And it looks like a huge bottle that will last forever. It's really slippery though, so I'm sure it will get dropped every time I use it in the shower. This is the Boom Boom cream, and I have tried this cream, but I've tried it in the purple jar, so I am curious to try out this one in the yellow jar. I also had the choice of a mini blow dryer, a floral kimono, or a lotus towel. This Wish brand has the best stuff, but I haven't tried out their foot mask yet. We will see if it gets on the top 5 summer items list or not. Stay tuned for that. I have a lot of items to test out for you guys. I love the purple on this bottle. It is a brightening clay mask, and it's always fun to try out new skincare products. Oh, and there's more of those little hair tie things. It looks like the package got squished in shipping and they must have all fallen out. Sometimes there is an item that gets a little dinged up in these boxes since they are always so full of so many things. Next is this cute little star necklace. I love how delicate this is, and actually it matches a bracelet I had gotten during my spring cause box. I also had the choice of some exercise bands or silicone wine glasses. This is a cute little message board. I am excited to play around with this one, and I'm probably going to display it in my office. Oh, and bubble wrap. So addictive. Is there anyone else out there who can't resist popping that bubble wrap? Okay, so I love this, but I can tell it's going to take a while to get all these letters off. Actually, it didn't end up being so bad after I started using scissors to cut them off. Just a tip, that really makes it go a lot faster. I also had the choice of either a rose gold treatment face mask, those West Elm bowls that I paid extra for, and then a diamond tote bag. Let me know in the comment section below what your favorite item was. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so that you know when that top 5 favorites from the summer FabFitFun, cause box, and box of style video goes up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.